9th Closer Studies, Zoom class. Good afternoon, all of you students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good. I will ask some questions in previous classes. What is meant by environmental crisis? Anybody? What is meant by
Sir, soil pollution.
environmental? Yes, yes. Global warming, poisoning
Soil
of,
pollution,
poisoning of our earth,
land,
air, etc.
deforestation,
Yes,
deforestation,
very good, very good. Next, a group of stars is called a
galaxy,
group of galaxy. Very good. Our Earth located which galaxy?
Milky Way.
Milky Way galaxy,
Milky Way. Very good, very good. Right answer. When was Big Bang started? Anybody? When was Big Bang started? When was Big Bang started? When was Big Bang started? The Big Bang started 13.7 million years ago. Next question. The continental drift theory, who is author? The continental drift theory, who is the author? Anybody? Continental drift theory, we already discussed in previous class, I mean last week. Anybody? Alfred Wegener, he was continental drift theory author. Okay. What is meant by Pangea? Anybody? What is meant Pangea? Pangea. Pangea means supercontinent. That meaning is whole land, we already discussed. How many parts divided into Pangea? Anybody?
two, sir,
Pangea,
two.
very good. Surya, very good answer. What are they? What are they? Laurentia and Gondwana. Pangea split into two parts. Laurentia, Gondwana. Next. How many internal structure of the earth? How many
Three,
internal
sir.
structure? Three. What are they? What are they?
Crust, mantle, core.
Mantle, core.
Core.
Very good answer. Very good answer.
Core has two inner parts, sir.
Yes, yes. What is the depth of crust? I mean, how many kilometers of depth of crust?
30 to 100 kilometers, sir.
30 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Very
100
good.
kilometers.
Very good. What are the components of crust? Anybody? What are the components of crust?
Chemicals, oils.
No, it is wrong answer. Various kinds of rocks. Crust, components of various kinds of rocks. Next, mantle. What are the components of mantle? What are the components of
Chemicals,
mantle?
oil, sir.
called chemicals?
oils, etc.
No. The chemicals is known as silicates. Next, how many parts of core?
Outer core, inner core, sir. Two parts.
Parts.
Two parts. How many parts of cores? Two parts. Outer core, inner core.
Inner core.
Yes. Gold available.
Inner core.
Inner core. Very good. Which one is model of the earth? Which one is model of the earth? Anybody? Which one is model of the earth? Which one is model of the earth? Anybody?
Crust, sir. Crust, sir.
Wrong answer. Which one is model of the earth? Which one is model? Earth model. Which one is earth model? Which one is earth model? Globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. You can observe what type of lines on the globe. You can observe what type of lines. Very good, very good. Good answer.
Latitude and longitude.
Latitude.
And longitude.
Today we will discuss about the earth grid system. Today we will discuss about earth grid system. Longitude and latitude values for the other places in the list of earthquake Hello. The earth grid system, the longitude and the latitude and the longitudes values for other places in the list of earthquake places on a globe. A network of latitudes and longitudes is drawn on a globe. On a globe, a network of latitudes and longitudes is known as grid system. The help of the grid, we can locate places. The help of the grid, we can locate places. In early classes, previous classes, we all of you studied hemispheres. What is meant by hemis? H-E-M-I-S. Hemis means half. Hemis means half. The earth hemispheres, number one, northern hemisphere. Two, southern hemisphere. Number third, eastern hemisphere. Number 4, Eastern
Northern
Hemisphere.
hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. All
Let us
hemispheres.
briefly one by one. Northern Hemisphere starts between 0 degree equator to 90 degrees of North Pole. Southern Hemisphere starts 0 degree equator to 90 degrees of South Pole. Western Hemisphere 0 degree longitude to west portion, that is Western Hemisphere. 0 degree longitude to Eastern Hemisphere. In your textbook, some activities given below. That means table given. After this session, we will study and complete the box table. For example, what are the Northern Hemisphere continents and countries? What are the Southern Hemisphere continents and countries? What are the Western Hemisphere continents and countries? What are the Eastern Hemisphere continents and countries? After this session, after the class, we all of you studied and answer the table. Sir, Tulsi sir,
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
ఆ వీడియో ప్లే చేయండి సార్. ఫస్ట్ వీడియో, ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు లాటిట్యూడ్ అండ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్. All of you carefully observe latitude, longitude, introduction video.
సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
Okay, sir.
Latitude is measured from the equator, with positive values going north and negative values going south. Longitude is measured from the prime meridian, which is the longitude that runs through Greenwich, England, with positive values going east and negative values going west. So, for example, 65 degrees west longitude, 45 degrees north latitude is minus 65 degrees longitude, plus 45 degrees latitude. Latitude measures north and south from the equator, 0 degrees. Longitude measures east and west from prime meridian, 0 degrees. Hemisphere. Hemi equals half. Earth can be split two ways, either by using equator or by using prime meridian, if split by equator. We give the northern and southern hemisphere.
సార్ హరి సార్.
All of you carefully observe this video. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tulsi sir, next slides ఉన్నాయి కదా,
సార్
స్లైడ్స్ వన్ బై వన్ ప్లే చేయండి సార్.
సార్ హరి సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
కనబడుతుంది సార్.
సార్ హరి సార్ కనబడుతుందా? ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్.
పెట్టండి కనబడుతుంది, పెట్టండి.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ పెట్టాను సార్ ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్.
పెట్టారా? మనకు కనిపించలేదే డిస్ప్లేలో.
కనబడుతుంది. సూర్య కనబడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
బాబు సూర్య, ప్రణయ్ కుమార్.
లేదు సార్.
లేదు సార్.
స్లైడ్ కనబడడం లేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు కనబడుతుందా?
All of you.
Yes, sir.
కనబడుతుందా?
కనబడతా ఉంది. ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
All of you observed on the slides, note down. Next topic, latitudes. Next topic, latitudes. Sir, latitude. Discuss again, sir. Latitude. Tulsi sir, latitudes.
చెప్తాను సార్.
All of you listen. Latitude. The horizontal circles that goes around the earth because it divides into two equal parts. This is the circle designated as a 0 degree latitude. Latitudes are expressed. All of you listen carefully. Latitudes are expressed degrees, minutes, seconds. Latitudes are parallel circle. Latitudes are parallel circle. Latitude comes to us from Latin word. That word is latitudo. 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 Latitudo means width. 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 Latitude values from 0 degree equator to 90 degrees North Pole and 0 degree equator to 90 degrees of South Pole. Equator is the largest among all latitudes. Once again, listen carefully. Equator is the largest among all latitudes. 180 main latitudes, not counting equator. Once again, listen. 180 latitudes, I mean main latitudes, not counting equator. Both latitudes and longitudes, imaginary lines. This formation of latitudes and longitudes duration period is 2000 years. We will take duration period is 2000 years. Important latitudes. 0 degree equator. This equator is Earth will be divided into equal parts. So we will discuss the important latitudes. 0 degree latitude is known as equator. 23.5 North Hemisphere, that is Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degrees North Hemisphere, that latitude is known as Arctic Circle. 90 degree is Northern Pole. Of the same 23.5 degrees South Hemisphere, that is known as Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degrees Southern Hemisphere, that is Antarctic Circle. 90 degrees of South Pole is known as Frozen area. Tulsi sir, slide 1 by 1 display చేయండి సార్. తులసి సార్,
అదే పెడుతున్నాను సార్.
1 by 1 డిస్ప్లే చేస్తా ఉన్నా.
బాబు, మీరు స్లైడ్ పైన గీసినారంటే మేము రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను చెప్తా ఉంటా. క్లాస్ అనే దానికి వచ్చారు, దేనికి వచ్చారు మీరు? క్లాస్ అనేటట్టుకుంటే వినండి, లేదంటే రిమూవ్ అయిపోండి, బయట వెళ్ళిపోండి.
సార్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ సార్? తులసి సార్
సార్ కనబడుతుందా?
ఓకే సార్. స్క్రోల్ చేయండి, స్క్రోల్ చేయండి,
సార్ ఇదే
స్క్రోల్ చేయండి. వన్ బై
ఆ,
వన్. అట్లే అట్లే ఒక రెండు నిమిషాలు ఉంచండి ఒక్కొక్క స్లైడ్. నెక్స్ట్ లాంగిట్యూడ్స్. We discussed just now latitudes and the longitudes. Both are imaginary lines. Next one is longitudes. Longitudes gives us to word Latin word that is longitudo. That is longitudo. Longitudo means length. Longitudo means length. Length. This longitude is not full circle. This longitude is not full circle. These longitudes are semicircles. It's connecting to pole to pole. Connecting to pole to pole. I mean North Pole to South Pole. Every longitude cuts across the every latitude. Once again listen. Every longitude cuts across the every latitudes. The longitude that passes through the astronomical observatory Greenwich, England is 0° meridian. Once again, the longitude that passes through the astronomical observatory at Greenwich, England is 0° meridian. It is also prime meridian. It is also prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. There are 360 longitudes. How many longitudes? 360 longitudes. 0° longitude to western portion, 180° longitudes. 0° longitude to eastern portion, 180 eastern longitudes. Total 360 longitudes. We can observe on the longitude into two groups. One is 0° longitude to western hemisphere, that is western longitudes. 0° longitude to east, that is eastern hemisphere. Students, what is meant by AM and PM? Anybody? We already
Anti-
very good. Anti-meridium and
Post-meridian.
post-meridium. Very good. Good answer. Anti-meridium means 0° latitude, dead opposite of 180° longitude. That is known as anti-meridium. PM means post-meridium. These both are longitude and latitudes, imaginary lines, very, very important. Latitudes, specific place, we can locate a specific place. Longitude, we can specific time. We can specific time. Next, the world is divided into 24 time zones. The world is divided into 24 time zones. Listen carefully, all of you. The world is divided into 24 time zones. Each time zones 15 degrees. Each time zone 15 degrees. I mean 1 hour. Sunlight 1 degree to another degree, duration time is 4 minutes. Once again listen, sunlight 1 degree to another degree, time duration is 4 minutes. That is 15 longitudes into 4 minutes equal to how many minutes? Anybody? 15 longitudes into 4 minutes equal to. Anybody? Students? 15 longitudes into 4 minutes equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Tulsi sir,
Sir,
slides 1 by 1 scroll చేస్తా ఉండండి. రెండులోనే ఉంది చూడండి.
sir, ఇదే
మిగతావన్నీ కూడా డిస్ప్లే చేయండి. 1 by 1 డిస్ప్లే చేయండి. ఇలా నోట్ చేసుకుంటారు. ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఇంపార్టెంట్
sir, third one పెట్టండి.
points. Next, Greenwich, England is the logical starting point for time zones. Just we will discuss just few minutes. The world rotates west to east. Earth also rotates west to east. Counterclockwise time zone to the east or head of those time is the west. We can goes to east, time is adding. We can goes to west, time is less. Students, listen carefully. We can go east direction, time is adding. We can go western direction, time is lost. Sir, slide 4, sir.
Sir, పెట్టాను sir.
Tulsi sir.
Sir, పెట్టాను.
Slide 4. Okay. Another chase saying east increase, time is forward to all places to the east. Once again listen, east increase. We will just discuss. We can go west, time is adding. We can go west, east less. West less, time is backward to all places to the west. Next slide 5, sir. Slide 5.
పెట్టాను sir.
Okay. If it 9 p.m. at position D, what is time at position C and B position? If it is 1 p.m. at position X, at which location is the time 5? Sir, slide 5, sir. 6. Tulsi sir, 6.
మళ్ళీ పెట్టాను sir.
6 pattern.
Sir, పెట్టాను sir.
Latitudes, latitudes. We all of you observe on the picture. I mean slides. Equator is middle of the earth. That is largest among all latitudes. The lines of latitudes are numbered from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north latitude of the northern pole. At the same time, the lines of latitudes are numbered from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degrees south latitude at south pole. You can observe carefully the important latitudes also discussed. Next slide 7, sir.
Sir, 4 minutes ఉంది sir. ఇంకా 4 నిమిషాలు.
Next slide, sir.
పెట్టాను సార్.
పెట్టాడు సార్.
పెట్టండి, 8th పెట్టండి.
సార్ సెవెంత్ స్లైడ్ పెట్టాను సార్.
ఓకే, 8th పెట్టండి సార్, 8th పెట్టండి. 8th.
పెట్టాను సార్.
Longitude. The line of longitude began at the prime meridian. We already discussed just now. 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian, and 0 degree meridian. Another one is Greenwich meridian. The prime meridian is located at 0 degree. It is neither nearest or east or west. Next, slide 9, sir. Slide 9. Slide 9. Tulsi sir. Slide 9, sir.
సార్ పెడతా ఉన్నా. పెట్టాను సార్.
Okay. Longitude. Lines of longitude are numbered east from the prime meridian to the 180 degree line and west from the prime meridian to the 180 degree line. We already just now total longitudes 360 longitudes without 0 degree longitude. Slide 10, sir. Slide 10.
పెట్టాను సార్.
Okay. We can observe the picture. Prime meridian. Students, all of you listen. Sir, unmute చేయండి సార్ అందరిది. 2 minutes పిల్లలతో మాట్లాడతాము.
సార్ అందరిది చేయలేదు సార్. మీరు పేరు చెప్పండి, డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది. మీరు చూసి పేర్లు చెప్పండి, వాళ్ళు మాత్రం అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాం.
Okay, sir. Bhaskar Sadum. Unmute. Bhaskar Sadum. Unmute. What is meant by grid system? Bhaskar. Bhaskar, what is meant by grid system? What is meant by grid system? On a globe, a network of latitude and longitude is drawn. This is known as grid. The help of the grid is located. We can locate places. Pranay responding. Unmute. Pranay. Which one is parallel circle? We will discuss in this class latitude and longitude. Which one is parallel circle? Pranay. Which one is parallel circle?
Good, sir.
Which one is parallel circle? Latitude or longitude?
Latitude, sir.
Very good. Next, Bhavit. Which one is semicircles? Bhavit responding.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడాలి.
Bhavit. Which one is semicircle?
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమని.